Hi, my name is Ryan with ServiceMaster by Zaba. Today we're working in a condo unit in Lincoln Park that has water damage from a burst pipe caused by a neighboring unit. Condos and apartments oftentimes face incidental damage, and it's important to make sure you properly mitigate your home in order to prevent any further damage or any microbial growth, which can lead to mold. The burst pipe happened in the unit above here, and it caused damage to the ceiling and this wall. We needed to take the drywall out in order to make sure that we can clean, sanitize, and dry out the framing behind the drywall. As you can see, we did have to take out drywall on the other side as well. Look here, so we contained everything to prevent any debris from spreading into uncontaminated areas. We had to detach a vanity, a mirror, a register cover. We took out the vent fan. We had to take out all of these walls as well. If you're dealing with water damage in your home, feel free to give us a call at 773-647-1985. We'll be able to help you navigate your claim, handle mitigation, and repairs for you.